Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Nothing Phone 3 Lite isn't recognizing your face correctly. In such case, let's set up a new face model on our device, and to do that, first you have to go to Settings, then navigate down to Security and Privacy menu, open it, and then go to Device Unlock. Here you'll find your face unlock. Now if you have any previously set up face models on your device, then remove them from here, and before you add a new one, first grab a dry towel, or better a microfiber cloth, to wipe the surface of your device's front camera. Make sure that there is no debris and no dust on it. You can see it better by lighting some torch or a lamp over it. And once you do that, also make sure that the lights in your room are set properly so that your lamp or I don't know, a sunlight, if you're doing this during the day, is facing you and not your phone's camera, because this way it will be harder for the camera to see you. And also make sure that your face doesn't look too bright in the camera. So right now let me just adjust the lights in the room properly, and now we're ready to add our face model. So let's go to face unlock, let's enter the password, let's tap setup, and now keep your face inside the circle looking at the camera. Once you're ready, tap done. And now before we proceed, let's go back to settings and let's check if our device has any updates to download and install, so that we can be sure that our firmware is in touch with the hardware. Now go to System menu and go to System Updates. Then check for available updates. In order to do so, you have to be connected to the internet. So if you have updates on your phone, then download and install them, and then restart your phone afterwards by tapping Restart Now in the bottom right corner of the screen. Otherwise, if you don't have any updates, press volume up button and power button at the same time and select Restart to reboot your device. And once your phone is restarted, give it a while to start, and also unlock your device using your password for the first time. We're not gonna be able to unlock it with our face. Now let's give it a moment, and now let's try to unlock it using our face. Okay, so it worked for the first time. Let's try it a couple more times. Worked for the second time, and let's try it for the third time. Okay, and so everything works smoothly for me, and I really hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you in any way, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.